Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have the Amish Meatloaf. What you want to do is start off with 3 pounds of 80/20 ground chuck, and of course, add a generous amount of salt and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. And then we want to add a cup of oatmeal. And as a binder, 2 eggs. And then you want to add 1 small onion that you've diced up. And then you want to turn the paddle attachment on. Lock it in place, and on the lowest setting, give this a couple of minutes to get all mixed together. And then you want to grab a meatloaf pan or a loaf pan. Again, I really recommend investing in a meatloaf pan. They're $20. You can get them off Amazon. And then you want to pop this into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes till it reads about 160. And then we're going to have the last step. Through the magic of cooking show editing, our meatloaf has reached 160 degrees. And then all I'm going to do is add a nice little layer of ketchup on top. I just decided to do this real simple. You can certainly make up a sauce, a glaze, or you could just, if you don't want to do ketchup, barbecue sauce is fine too. Then you just want to grab a little brush and spread this all around and pop this back in for another about 10 minutes or so. All right, that's what it looks like when she's all finished. Give this about 10 minutes to rest, and we should be ready for service. Okie dokie, cut myself a couple of nice little slices. And I just decided this is optional, but I decided to douse it with hot sauce. So that's Amish Meatloaf. Done.